All right, always, never, usually, adverbs of frequency. Today, that's what we are talking about. Now, these adverbs of frequency are used with present simple. So if you don't know what that is, go back in this playlist, elementary playlist, and check out the present simple videos. Once you look at those, this will be super easy. All we need to do for this, or all this does for us adverbs of frequency, this answers the question, how often? How often I do something. So maybe you can see here, I didn't shave today. Actually, I don't like shaving. I don't often shave. Okay, maybe 2 or 3 times a week because I don't like it. So this is how we use this grammar. We have these things here. Always, usually, often, sometimes, not often, hardly ever, and never. Those are called adverbs of frequency. That's really long, so I like to call those AOF, adverbs of frequency. Easy. So here are 3 ways that we can talk about how often we do something. All right, so simple, just like math. We need to follow this formula. Subject plus AOF plus verb. Now, this follows the same rules as present simple. So, we always make videos on Tuesday. We, Mark and I, we always make videos on Tuesday. That's 100%. We always make videos on Tuesday. We never make videos on Saturday. I don't want to work on Saturday. You don't want to work on Saturday. So we never make videos on Saturday. All right. But just like this, I, we, you, they, we use the base form of the verb. If we want to use he, she, or it, she never finishes all her food. Maybe I'm talking about my daughter Emma. If we give her some food, she's like, yeah, I'm going to eat half of that, right? She never finishes all her food. She never, really. Emma, if you're watching this next time, eat all your food. Okay? So that's what we need to do. If we use a main verb, okay, like make or finish or do or play, we put the adverb of frequency before the verb. I always play. I play always? No. I eat never? No. We can't say that. Okay? We have to say I never eat. Okay? Easy, right? Comment below. It's easy. Comment. All right. Moving forward. Number 2. If we have a be verb, so be verb, if you remember, am, is, are, was, were, but am, is, are for today. Here we see is. So this adverb of frequency goes after the be verb. So in Singapore, I live in Singapore, we live in Singapore, I can say it is always raining. It is always raining. Always goes after the be verb. And in Singapore, it is always raining. Mark, my good friend. Mark, he's a happy guy. Mark is hardly ever stressed. I have never seen Mark stressed, but he must be stressed sometimes. But Mark is hardly ever stressed. Always happy, always relaxed. I don't know how he does that. I am usually stressed. Yeah, busy. But maybe just my personality. I don't know. Okay, now, of course, we don't use always, usually, often, every single time. We can use different ways to talk about how often we do something, or we can say other time expressions. Okay? So these are things like every day, every week, every month, every year, right? I can put those there as well. And I can say he brushes, remember to add the S to the verb, he brushes his teeth every day. These expressions always go at the end. So if you're a Chinese speaker, maybe you would say, every day I brush my teeth, because that's how you would say it in Chinese, I think. You would say 每天我什么什么, right? But I brush my teeth every day. In English, every day, time always goes at the end. Okay, remember that. Time always goes at the end. Okay, every day I brush my teeth. No, it's okay, but wrong. I brush my teeth every day. All right. They do exercise. Here's another example. They do exercise. I can say once a day. I can say once a week. I can say once a month. I can say he never does exercise. Also okay. But now I'm going up here again. Okay? So once a week, twice a week. Here I said X times, so 3 times, 4 times, 5 times a week. I go to the gym 3 days a week. Mark goes to the gym 1 day a month, maybe. I don't know, 1 day a week. I think his wife forces him to do that. So that's pretty much it for adverbs of frequency. Remember, main points. We have a main verb. It goes before. We have the be verb. It goes after. And then anytime we have another expression every day, every week, every hour, we put that at the end of the sentence. Okay? So that's it. Comment, like, share, watch more.